In this video, I'll show you how to install Wechat without using a QR code. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store app. In the Play Store, search for Wechat. After that, open the Wechat page. Now install Wechat from here. Once it's installed, open the Wechat app. At the bottom, you'll see two options. If you already have an account, tap Login. If not, go to Sign Up. Here, you can sign up using Facebook or your mobile phone. After choosing an option, enter your name, country, phone number, and password. Once you've entered all the information, check the agreement box at the bottom, then tap Agree and Continue. Next, read the privacy policy, then check the box at the bottom and tap Next. Now you'll see the security verification. Don't worry, tap Start, and instead of a QR code, you'll get a verification like this where you need to select the matching images. After making your selection, tap OK. Then tap OK again. Now enter your phone number and you'll receive an SMS code. Type that code here and your Wechat account will be ready to use. If you run into any problems, let me know.